If you use Evernote every day, switching from list view to card view can make your notes easier to browse, easier to scan, and just a lot more visual. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch from list view to card view in Evernote step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your computer or in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once Evernote is open, the next thing you want to do is go to your notes list. You can do that from the main navigation area, or you can open a notebook if you want to change the way a specific group of notes is displayed. Now that you're in your notes, look toward the top of the screen for the sort and display options. Depending on your layout, this may be near the upper right area of the notes panel. This is where Evernote lets you control how your notes are shown, sorted, and organized. Click on the sort and display options to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the section that says View As or something very similar. This is the area where you can change how your notes are visually displayed on the screen. Once you see the view options, hover over View As. That should reveal a list of display styles available in Evernote. From that list, choose Card View. Card View will change your notes from a plain list into larger visual tiles, making it easier to recognize notes at a glance. After you select Card View, Evernote will immediately update the layout. Your notes should now appear as cards instead of a standard list. This is especially helpful if you work with lots of notes and want a cleaner, more visual browsing experience. If you don't see the change right away, just make sure you clicked the correct display option and that you're viewing the notes section or notebook where the setting applies. In some cases, the layout can look slightly different depending on the version of Evernote you're using, but the process is the same. Open the notes area, find the display options, and switch the view mode to card view. And that's it. You've now learned how to switch from list view to card view in Evernote. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you organize and review your notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.